ANZ, Heat 19. We're almost there through the heats, mate. We've got 21 heats and only a couple to go. What do you reckon?
Yeah, we're absolutely flying through these heats. But my gosh, just so many vans. But we've got 4 more, so let's go and have a look.
First up, and driving for Power Drive Racing, is Marianne. This has black fire tyres. It's a Johnny Lightning. It's the Spy van weighing 97 grams.
Hey, now this looks really sleek. Micon competitions come along with a 69 theme. I mean, the car's called Spirit of 69, the driver is 69er, and it weighs 69 grams.
And first up the backline, driving for RV Autosport. This one's weighing 71 grams is Nakasuka Wasabi. Good luck in tonight's heat.
Ladies and gentlemen, please feast your eyes now on the best looking van in all of Vantastic, the Austin minivan. Thank you to the A-Team for entering Jolt Freak with Hutch behind the wheel. Well, 4 completely different vehicles tonight. Pick your favourite, and let's get racing.
What an interesting heat this has been. Look at the score there for Marianne driving for Power Drive Racing. Almost perfect, 16 is perfect, and 15 1 point behind. Congratulations, you're heading off to the semi-finals.
Congratulations again to Power Drive Racing. You got another van off to the semis. And keep Marianne on as a driver. She did really well tonight.
Alongside Marianne is Mocon Competition. Congratulations, you're heading off to the semi-finals, the driver 69er. All right, NZ, let's try and dissect what happened tonight. Some scrappy racing. What are your thoughts?
Well, right from the get-go, Marianne just took off. Gone. Hutch and Nakasuka got tangled up in turn 1, which caused them to slow right down.
Yeah, they almost came to a complete standstill out of turn 1. Race 2, Marianne showing who's boss around this track.
Turn 1 has really been sorting out a lot of vans in Vantastic, and it shows tonight. Hutch and Nakasuka again struggling to get around it.
Yeah, too much pace going into turn 1 and very close to a dead heat here. Have a look at these two. Oh, it was close and straight into the merger. Let's check out race 3.
Okay, I'm moving my seat to turn 1 because this is where all the excitement's happening. Marianne came down, didn't even turn. Pretty much took most of the people out, and where did 69er end up?
He came to grief right on the left-hand side of the track, right down the bottom, on his wheels, right near those rocks and trees. Look at this battle though, just coming out of turn 1. Look at Marianne driving for Power Drive Racing and those Blackfire tyres. It just hugs this track. Unbelievable. Okay, NZ, let's head into race 4, the last for tonight.
Well, that was a much cleaner race, and congratulations to Marianne for a massive win there. Nakasuka in behind for the 3 points. The other two crossed the finish line, and that's about as far as they got. A huge thank you to RV Autosport and to the A-Team for your efforts in Vantastic. I honestly thought the Nakasuka Wasabi was a winner. I really wanted Jolt Freak to get through as well. You guys built a couple of really good looking vans, and for that you should be proud.
That's a wrap on Heat 19, Vantastic 2021. And once again, thank you to NZ Racing for his wonderful commentary right here on Shorty. Until next time, we'll catch you later.